very important, right? Two electrostatics. There two identical sphere. There are what? Two identical sphere. One is what? Minus 9 into 10 to the power of minus 7 coulomb. And another sphere, both are identical, same. Okay? That is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 7 coulomb. Two spheres are there. Are separated by certain distance. I don't know the distance. Certain distance. Understood? You can form your own problem. Okay? Certain distance in air. Now what I do is they are brought in contact. They are brought in contact. See, don't bother. This is common, no? Don't bother. I'll write minus 9. Here minus 9 plus 5. When I brought in contact, what happens? There is exchange of charge takes place, right? Plus C and plus 9C. Minus 9 can be minus 5, minus 4, plus 5. This is minus 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Here plus. And these two both get neutralized. Understood? Neutralized. Only minus 4 is there, no? Minus 4. Both are identical. Then what will happen? Then again what they do? Minus 2 goes here, minus 2 goes here. Understood? Equal, identical. Then what happen? When you bring it close together, what will happen? Minus 9 is there, plus 5 is there. Suppose you have 9 rupees, what is it? Credit. You got 5 rupees. What will do? You will clear it off, no? Like this. Then how much? Minus 4. Since both are equally identical, is it not? They equally distribute. Because equal distribute. Then again what here? They are brought in contact and then placed to initial position. Again they placed to the initial position. Imagination is that. When I place in the initial position, minus 2 or minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 coulomb, minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 coulomb, they given. Now the question is, compare the forces. See, when I bring it close together, when I bring it to close, see, when I kept alone in air, this is force initially. Now when I brought it here, redistribution takes place. Again what happened? Here what happened? This is negative. Here positive. Both are opposite sign. There is a force of attraction, correct? Force of attraction. Now both are identical charge. There is a force of repulsion among them. Distance remains same. Right? Then what is the force? F2. This force of attraction, force of repulsion. Therefore, what you write? Distance remain same. See, when you have to think of all possibilities. Logic. If you know this is a common logic is required for CET or NEET or any type of exams, any type of competitive exams worldwide. Right? Now, this is the problem has to be analyzed. The question is what? Compare the forces. F1 and M4. When I compare means divide one by the other. Or F1 is to F2. That is the meaning. Compare the forces. And also find out the distance, original distance. They may ask you. How to do this? Now I understood the problem. I have not given the sentence. See, look. What is F1? F1 is, here what is that? Q1, Q2. That means 9 into 10 to the power of 9. Q1, Q2. Q1 is minus 9 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Q2 is what? 5 into 10 to the power of minus 7. That is square of the distance. I don't know the square of the distance. Some students, what they'll write? K, they'll write it. Q1, Q2 by D square, they'll write it. This is Q1, Q2. D square. Then what is this? This is Q1, Q2. Then this is K. Q1 is what? Minus 9 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Then plus 5. 10 to the power of minus 7 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Correct? Let it be like this. Okay? Therefore, here d square. When you brought it close to each other, what will happen? -9 plus 5, right? Plus 5 neutralized with -5. Remaining -4 charges, 4 is there. It will be equally distributed, right? Now this is what? Q1 dash. This is Q2 dash, correct? What is the force now? Same K, Q1 dash, Q2 dash by same distance square, right? When I ask you to compare water rate, what do you call compare? F1 by F2, right? Compare is equal to what? K Q1 Q2 by D square, K Q1 dash Q2 dash by D square. K get cancelled, D square cancel. What will get here? Q1 Q2 divided by Q1 dash Q2 dash. Q1 is what? -9. This 10 to the power of 7 and all goes off. -9 plus 5, first case. Second case is what? -2, correct? What will happen? 45, no? Minus 45, minus to minus plus. What is that? 4. Therefore, F1 is to F2 is equal to 45 by 4 numerically, right? 45 by 4. Now they are brought into contact. Compare the forces, that's all. And is it possible to find the distance, sir? Is it possible to find the distance? No. You can't find the distance now at present, right? That at least they have to give one force answer. Easy. Therefore, in the examination, they'll ask you for CET only 1 mark. But this is 5 mark question. This is a 5 mark question, right? There is another problem. Suppose -9 nanocoulomb and plus 18 nanocoulomb are separated by a distance 0.1 meter. Separated by a distance 0.1 meter in air. Find the resultant electric intensity. What is electric intensity resultant? Electric intensity between them. Between them is at a distance of 0.01 meter. 0.01 meter from -9 nanocoulomb they give. See, only data is this. Because sentence I made it as a picture, right? Now how to picturize it? I'll write it. -9 nanocoulomb, right? This is plus 18 nanocoulomb. Attraction, is it not? Positive negative attraction. Now 0.1 meter, no? Apart. They are 0.1 meter apart. That means 10 centimeter apart. Now 0.01 means 10 centimeter. No? This 0.01 means what? 1 centimeter, no? Right? 1 centimeter, correct? That means there is from here is here. Where is it? 0.01 meter. From here I am keeping, see, this is all right A, this is B, this point is C. At this particular point, what is the resultant field they are asking? What is the resultant field at this point? Now what I do is keep a unit positive charge here. This is negative, this is positive, there is an attraction, right? Force at C due to A. Attraction. Now this is positive, right? Very far off distance. What is this distance? 0.09. Now this is 1 centimeter, this is 9 centimeter, right? 0. Understood? Therefore, this is positive. This is also positive. What happened? Positive, repel. This is force due to force at C due to B, correct? Therefore, here there are two forces acting. Force at C due to A. Another is what? Force at C due to B. Both are repulsion. This is attraction. The resultant field is what? You must add these two, correct? Resultant field is equal to force at C due to A plus force at C due to B. Force is given by what? electric intensity. Actually, this is what? Force acting on unit positive charge. This is not. Force acting on unit positive charge means electric intensity. Or electric intensity at C. What they are asking, what is the force they are asking? Find the resultant electric intensity only. Electric intensity at C due to A plus electric intensity, right? Electric intensity at C due to B, not force, because force acting on a unit positive charge. What is the formula for electric intensity? Electric intensity is given by 1 by 4 by epsilon naught into charge by distance square, correct? What is this distance here? Therefore, force resultant field at C, or a resultant electric field. Resultant electric field at C is equal to EA is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught. Charge is what? 9. Don't bother about minus. 9 by distance square 0.01 the whole square, plus here also 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Charge is what? 18. This is nanocoulomb. Here also nanocoulomb by what? Square of the distance 0.09 whole square. Now here, this is, you have to take the nanocoulomb, 9 all common. Therefore, resultant electric intensity, what I do is 1 by 4 by epsilon naught, I am taking it out. 9 also I am taking it out. Nano also I am taking it. Nanocoulomb, nano I am taking it out. Here 1 by 0.01 means 10 to the power of minus 1 whole square, correct? This here 18, I have taken 9 nano. Here what? 2 no. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught also I have taken it out. Therefore, here what? 9 into 10 to the power of minus 2 the whole square, correct? You understood how? Because see, you have to be very, very careful. 0.01 means 10 to the power of minus 2. 0.09 means 9 into 10 to the power of minus 2. You understood? Therefore, what I did here, what is this value? 9 into 10 to the power of 9. This value into 9 into 10 to the power, nano means minus 9. Here 1 by, here what I write? 10 to the power of minus 2, correct? Plus 2 by 9 square into 10 to the power of, hey, this is minus 2, sorry, this is minus 2. There, this is minus 4. This is also minus 4. Now what I do is, 9 9s are 81. This one goes off, right? Here 10 to the power of minus 4, I will take it out, outside. There 1 plus 2 by 81. Understood now? 9 square is 81. If you multiply inside, what will get? This is 10 to the power of minus 4, up it comes. 8 I am taking inside, 8, 81 inside. Here also 81, or else you can take LCM. 81 by 10 to the power of minus 4. 81 is the LCM. Here 81 plus 2, correct? This 81 get cancelled. Therefore, 83 by 10 to the power of minus 4, or 83 into 10 to the power of plus 4. Therefore, a resultant electric intensity at C is equal to 83 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Newton per Coulomb. But in SI unit you are right now, therefore 8.3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Newton per Coulomb. Understood, no? Along which direction? Towards CA. Understood, no?